With regard to the last question, change of the government, as I said, it is up to the parties themselves. Whatever compromise they finally reach, I will support it, provided that it is designed to advance democracy, rule of law and human rights. It is not for me to prescribe a formula. It is not for me to recommend to the different political parties what is the solution here. The solution should be found in consultation through negotiation by the parties themselves. Should they seek the help of the international community, the international community would be willing to assist, whether to witness a political settlement reached by them, or if they want the international community to mediate, the international community would certainly consider, including the United Nations, including my own office. But the request has to come from both sides. Once that request has been made, then it is a matter which we will consider very carefully. Thank you. I believe that the ability of people to exercise their rights and freedoms was a sign of maturing democracy in Cambodia, which I welcomed. However, the violence and excessive use of force on 15 and 22nd December, on 12 November 2013, and most recently on 2nd, 3rd and 4th January cast doubt on that view. While I also condemn the violence exercised by some demonstrators, the actions by the authorities in suppressing the crowds in the first week of January mark a worrying change from a tolerant to a repressive response of the government to public protest, which has been internationally condemned. With regard to the investigations, I have called for a thorough, credible and independent investigation into the incidents that have taken place. Excessive use of violence, resulting in the deaths of people and injury to so many. With regard to the chain and command system within the army, I am not a military expert. I have not examined what is the current structure and who are the responsible, who give the orders. But the investigation I have called for should find out exactly what happened during those days. So far as the current mission is concerned, as I said, I have received full cooperation from the government. I am pleased to have a very extensive dialogue with him and other members of the government.